Assalamu alaikum. Hello Abdullah, how are you?
I am fine.
Okay, attention please. Salute me. Oh, very good. How are you?
I'm fine.
You are fine? Huh? Okay. Tell me what is your mother name?
Mother name is Sada.
Please speak loudly. ऊंची आवाज में बात करते हैं. टेंशन ऐसे हैं. What is your mother name?
Mother name is Sada.
Very good. And what is your father name?
Father name is Muhammad Akram.
Muhammad Akram. Okay. Okay, now tell me who is your creator?
Creator is Allah Ta'ala.
MashaAllah. And what is your religion?
Religion is Islam.
Islam. Oh, very good. And who is the last prophet?
God Prophet.
Yes, very good.
Yes.
Who is the last prophet?
Muhammad.
Yes. Very good. Muhammad. आगे. Very good. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
Sallam.
Huh?
Muhammad
Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Very good. Okay. Are you feeling better today?
Yes.
Huh? Mashallah. And what is your father?
Father name is
No. I'm not asking name. What is your father? What is your father mean के वो क्या करते हैं?
Guardian.
What is your father?
Father is
Huh?
driver.
Yes, he is a driver. Okay, very good. You can go. Salute me and go. No, come here, please. Come back. First you will salute me and then you will go. Yes, very good. Next one.